So what stands out as the best day of my legal career so far? I have been very fortunate to have a lot of happy days in my legal career. Have you seen the Barbie movie that came out this summer? There's a scene at the beginning where the Barbies are all dancing and they're dancing and the music is playing and everybody's in sync and it's the best day ever. And that's what the Barbies say to each other. Isn't this the best day ever? Uh, and then, of course, one of the Barbies says, "Do you ever think about dying?" And the music stops. That, for me, captures the feeling of what it's like to practice law. There are so many days where you're dancing with your team and you're working really hard, you're getting ready for a hearing or a trial, and you go to court and everything goes really well, and then you win, and it is the best day ever. But there are other days where you can get bogged down in procedural issues or collateral issues. And I'm not saying the music stops entirely, but maybe it becomes a little more faint. Uh, if I have to pick one day that is my best day ever, I would say that it's the day that I received a call from Judge Karen Green, who was then chair of the litigation department at my firm. And she asked if I would like to work with Jerry Fasher running the in-house mock trial program for the firm's associates. That meant that I was going to get to spend a lot of time with Mr. Fasher, listening to him teach people how to try a case. And that's exactly what happened. I spent a fair amount of time, several hours a month over the next couple of years, in addition to my day job, following Jerry around and listening to him talk. And I still hear Jerry's voice in my head, and those lessons are a real gift to me. They all flowed from that day I got the phone call from Karen when I was sitting in a hotel room in New York City getting ready for a big deposition the next day. And that really stands out to me as a best day ever.